Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, says the region could face some headwinds with a slowdown in the Chinese economy. Deputy Division Chief in charge of the Western Hemisphere at the IMF, Anna Ivanova, says some countries will be more affected than others.
Many countries in the region have connections with China, and of course the slowdown in China will affect countries, but it is very different. For example, a country like Chile has stronger connections with China, so this will be a bigger impact on countries that have stronger trade ties with China. But it is a global factor as well. We see that the growth, of course, will be lower if large economies like China are slowing and the real estate market developments were a factor. It has been perhaps a little bit better than we expected, but it is true that the slowdown in China is a big important factor for the region.
While the IMF has maintained its GDP outlook for China at 3% for this year, the fund has downgraded its 2024 outlook. In April, it set GDP for next year at 5.2%. That's moved to 5% in the October outlook. There are also concerns about a slowdown due to a crunch in the Chinese real estate market. Grace Kennedy says it's completed the acquisition of Unibev Limited. The transaction is expected to boost GK's position in the Jamaican spring water market. Unibev is now GK's 6th manufacturing facility in the country and is involved in the entire beverage production process, spanning from raw material sourcing and packaging. GK Group CEO Don Webby says the acquisition of Unibev represents a pivotal move in the company's 2030 vision. GK has acquired the 876 spring water brand and recently increased its stake in Catherine's Peak. The Jamaican dollar lost 48 cents by the end of trading on Friday and $1.23 compared to the start of this week. Banks and cambios are selling the greenback for an average $156.60, coming from $156.12. This is the highest rate the Jamaican dollar has traded against the greenback since February 2022. The Canadian dollar is going for $113.50. $189.86 is the average cost for the pound, while it's costing $167.63 for the euro. And to the stock market, the JSE index gained 3,589 points, while the junior market index lost 11 points. The 34 winners included Massey, Wigton Wind Farm, Jetcon, Pan Jamaica Group, and Lasco Manufacturing. The 49 losers were led by Jamaica Public Service 7% shares, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, T-Tech, ISP Finance Services, and Lumber Depot. Now 21 stocks ended the session at the same price they started trading this morning. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.